red and blue, mix them together, what do we do? Red and blue, mix them together, purple comes through. Yellow and blue, mix them together, green for you. Yellow and blue, mix them together, a green, so true. Red and yellow, mix them together, orange, hello. Red and yellow, mix them together, bright and mellow. Blue and white, mix them together, light so bright. Blue and white, mix them together, light, blue in sight. Black and white, mix them together, gray is bright. Black and white, mix them together, gray in sight. Colors mixing one by one, making new colors is so much fun. Red, blue, yellow too,